Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another reaction video. Let's not waste no time. Let's just get into it.
That's just me, y'all. I love my fur babies, but anyway.
Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that. People love their animals. Okay.
I'm going to shred up some cheese over it.
Okay.
And I have one thing that I'm going to add to it, y'all. This is the part that makes them really, really, really love it. I'm going to crumble up some bacon. I'm going to fry it really quick, and I'm going to crumble this up in it.
Okay, so I guess she's making broccoli with cheese, and then she's going to add a little bacon to it. Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's broccoli. It's healthy. Sprinkling a little bit of cheese ain't too bad. It helps it go down a little bit easier. But once you get into that bacon, you go from healthy to not so healthy. But that ain't my business. Let's keep going.
All I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to put it in layers in the pan and bake it in the oven for him to 50 degrees. And again, I cook all the time in my kitchen. As y'all see, my kitchen is clean, and my dogs love my food. So.
What does that have to do with anything? Okay, you cook all the time. I would think we would care more if humans like the food, not dogs, because dogs eat just about anything. Don't even have to taste that good. But we would care what humans think more than anything, wouldn't we?
They don't have a problem with it. They don't have a problem with it, y'all.
No. Hurry up and get his little behind.
Even when they know I'm cooking, y'all, they just pop out of nowhere. They love my food.
Like, I don't find that. She finds that funny. The dog jumping on the counter and whatnot. No. I'm trying to tell y'all, if I ever had a dog, that dog ain't coming nowhere in my kitchen. Nope, we ain't playing those games. No, because I think that stuff is unsanitary. I don't like it. And look at her. Oh my God. No, she didn't. No, she didn't. She didn't even go wash her hands or nothing. She just went right back to what she was doing. Went right back to it like nothing happened. And you know dogs shed, so I know there's a couple hairs somewhere. You didn't wash your hands, change the gloves, nothing. Bro. This is why you don't eat from people. So she making this for a good friend of hers. I sure hope the good friend of hers will see this video. Hopefully before she eats it, because then if she sees it afterwards, she probably won't be happy, but that's nasty.
Show y'all how I make it. He just had a bath, so it shouldn't be too bad.
He just had a bath, so it shouldn't be too bad. He could have had 10 million baths in one day. I don't care. That's unsanitary. I don't like that. She should have, what I would have done, get the dog down. I'm throwing away that broccoli because, like I said, dogs shed, so there's probably a few hairs in there. I'm going to throw away that broccoli, get some new one. I'm going to clean that counter with some bleach and some stuff. That means everything that's there is gone. Throw away the broccoli, wash that pan, wash your hands, throw away them gloves, all that, and start from scratch, because no. God is the only one that can come down and tell me that there's not one hair in that thing, because I know there's a few.
I'm going to start frying this, and I'm going to grate the cheese and show y'all how it looks when it's done. 350 degrees in the oven.
Y'all can keep that.
So bear with me, y'all. Now that he jumped up here. But I don't think before y'all say something, there's no doggy hair or nothing in here, y'all, because again, I bathed mother.
See, she knows somebody gonna say something. That's why she's trying to put that disclaimer out there. Ain't no dog hair. Yes, there is. And even if there was, you wouldn't say nothing. Yo, that's disgusting. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all don't eat at everybody's house. Just cook your own food, because this stuff right here, Disgusting.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread